ASD screening is mainly used for young children to find out if a child has any early signs of ASD, though screening is done for adults as well. In case of children, doctors do a routine checkup for screening before the age of 2 years. Older children and adults may also be screened if they have any symptoms of ASD, but they have never been diagnosed with the disorder. There are ways to screen out ASD, but screening cannot diagnose ASD. If a screening shows that a child may have the disorder, more testing will be needed to diagnose ASD. Screening of ASD in children. In children, the screening is usually done by a pediatrician or a nurse. Questionnaires. The parents are requested to complete one or more questionnaires asking about their child's development and behavior, including speech, movement, thinking, and emotions. ASD often runs in families, so you may also be asked about your family health history. Observation. The doctor-nurse observes how the child plays and interacts. For example, the provider will check if your child responds to your laugh or looks at a person who tries to get their attention. Not responding may be a sign of ASD. Interactive screening tests. These tests are play activities such as playing make-believe with dolls or other toys. These tests are designed to check your child's communication skills, social behavior, and other abilities. Screening of ASD in adults. In order to screen for ASD, the psychologist or psychiatrist may talk about the challenges one faces in their day-to-day life, ask to complete a questionnaire about the symptoms, ask the concerned person to talk with family members who remember what she was like as a young child, do screening tests for depression, ADHD, and/or anxiety, which are common in people who have ASD. Remember, there are no special preparations needed for this screening, and there is no risk of having autism spectrum disorder screening. It was always better to consult an expert for screening of ASD. But if you wish to have some idea beforehand, you can use the MedWiki Mental Health Calculator link to know your condition. To know more about treatment of ASD, stay tuned with MedWiki and watch our next video.